everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Congratulations messages are pouring in for Natasha and it's Lorch after Natasha shared a picture of herself confirming that she is expecting and it looked like she's almost there. Her post was flooded with thousands and thousands of likes and congratulations messages from her fans, colleagues and friends just few minutes after she posted. Someone said her pregnancy feels like a teenage pregnancy, of course because of the role she plays on TV. But guys, Natasha is 26 years old and turning 27 this year. She didn't say anything about her baby date, but people are convinced that Lorch is the father. Asazige Mangasiyena. Guys, anyway, we wish them all the best. A child is a blessing from God. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let's celebrate the good news on the comment section. Bye.